Good morning. It's a good day. The lady and I are heading to the cabin.
And it's cold.
See you when we get there. Lady.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, it's toasty.
Wow.
Hi.
Feels great in here.
It's cold out there.
You did.
Noise.
Well, that's not kind.
Can't use any of that. Hey, good luck, guys. Going back for a hat?
Yes.
Can I do that for you, milady?
What? It already looks nicer.
Looks great. I mean, it's like uncomfortably hot in here.
Oh, it feels awesome.
How's this chair look, milady?
It looks very comfortable.
No, I mean the positioning of it. Like, does it look like it's in the right spot?
Yep.
Now this one in the corner.
Sure.
How's that suit you, milady?
It's great. Why do you keep asking?
Yeah, I like this with the matching chairs.
Yep. You should make a little coffee table.
Yeah. Does your significant other expect to be treated like a lord or a lady? Holidays coming around the corner, a little stressed? I've got the solution for you. You should do what I did and make them an actual lady or lord.
Hey, is that why you've been calling me that all day?
Established Titles is a unique and fun way to preserve the natural woodlands of Scotland while helping reforestation efforts globally. It's a project based on a historic Scottish custom when landowners are referred to as lairds, or lords and ladies in English. Title packs give you at least 1 square foot of land with a unique plot number on a dedicated estate in Eddleston, Scotland, and an official certificate with a crest. They plant a tree with every order, and they work with the global charities One Tree Planted and Trees for the Future with every order. You could officially use the title Lord or Lady on your dating profiles, on your credit card, on your email signature, and it makes a great last minute gift. The first 200 people who purchase a title pack using my link will get a plot near my plot or next to my plot, and depending on how many of you want to become a lord or lady, we could create our own little 50 acres kingdom. Established Titles is actually running a massive Black Friday sale right now, plus if you use the code AC5A you get an additional 10% off. Go to establishedtitles/AC5A to get your gifts now and help support the channel. Got this shower here, and I've got a pipe I bent, so we're gonna make a shower curtain rod. Alright, my electrician helped me bend this piece of copper, so we're gonna cut it down to the right size and then get some hardware so we can mount it to the wall. Huh. Known to the state of California to cause cancer. Good thing I'm not in California. Alright, and this is the finished product. You've been pretty excited to hang this, haven't you?
Oh. You're gonna do 10 before I get 2 done.
Back already? Did you already get a deer?
Not yet. Holy smokes, you did 9 in the time it took me to do 3.
I can go to the Curtain Rod World Championships. Now I did 10.
Wanna fix my 10th?
You mean your 3rd?
My 3rd. Your prize is nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Woohoo. Yay.
That is super cool.
Will you look at that? Will you look at that? Ew.
Who made this bathroom so small? Look at that. How cool. Perfect size too. It's like probably twice as big as our shower was in our when we had a casita. Last time you'll ever see inside here. Enjoy. I like that wood ceiling. It's cool. Get out of here, I'm showering. I'm sure what I need is right at the bottom. Yep, need a better toolbox. There's what I need. There's everything I had to take out to get it. Alright. Actually, I think it's above freezing. Well, no, it's not. It's still ice and everything. So, alright, well, we'll get the GoPro set up and I'll explain what I gotta do here. So we got those little clips there. I gotta take this panel here off. Now we can go test out, see how that's doing. Hello.
Caught me relaxing. What should I be working on?
Nothing. Alright, now let's test this out. Alright, 91. That's about right. Alright, we just need to put this wire back in and then we can reconnect. Alright, we can turn our solar back on. Anyway, we'll have to live with 2 panels until I can get that bigger charge controller. We're making quite a bit of power right now. I'm almost making max power out of the thing. I mean, I think 720 would be max, but that's a lot. It's cold and it's winter. Cold helps, but winter with low sun doesn't. This will make about 100 gallons since the mouse incident. Once I get these 2 tanks in, I normally fill this with a truck tank, but it was 10 degrees when I woke up. Didn't want to deal with messing with trying to get my hose to work. Yeah, I want to follow up on the foam. First thing we noticed is that it was super cold last night and this morning, and normally you can kind of feel some cold coming off the floor. That was totally gone. My brother-in-law, he was here last night with his two boys. They went to bed with the fire going at 70 degrees. It usually burns about 3 hours. Went out and they woke up to 65 degrees. So it's working incredibly well. The other thing, a couple people noticed that the foam wasn't expanding that much. That's because I filmed it when I first started doing it and I was moving too quickly with the gun. If you look at some of the later footage or when it was off camera, I was going a lot slower with the gun and it was expanding a lot more. I actually had to go back and go over the bedroom because I had put it on too thin, which I showed some of that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that these are recyclable for steel. They just have to be open.
All right, so that fire's been out for a couple hours, or it's been hot ashes for a couple hours, and between that fire, the foam, and the southern exposure, it's like uncomfortably hot in here.
The foam, I think it's safe to say, has made a huge difference. Created a monster. Or several monsters.
Created a lady. Is this fine?
I was born this way.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We're out of here. If you need a last minute gift idea, don't forget to use my link with established titles. So thanks for watching, and we'll check in with you next time.